Hello, everyone. Let's clean this muddy Disney car. It's really fun.
Anything for one of Pop's mates.
That's what he told us. So we went to the school and we got his address.
Awesome!
Not the only one seeing this, right? Incoming!
No, you don't know what you want. Luigi know what you want.
This is going nowhere fast. We really should go, Grandmother.
One moment. I'd like to see where this is going.
Unstoppable.
Well, don't overlook Lightning McQueen.
Oops! Why are you stopping all of a sudden?
I'm so sorry.
And I'm just in the import-export business. Sidley?
Yes, Phil?
Paris. Toot sweet.
Fun fishing, Mater.
Hey, DJ, lay down some beats, man.
Travel off the tracks.
Maybe there can be.
Why don't we just take a drive?
Nah.
Tractorcito, ven aquí. Sí, qué gran tractor. No, 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 no. Ven acá, tractor.
The drink. Stop it. Flo's V8 Cafe. Finest fuel on Route 66.
No, we just stopped.
Fast to storm. But you can be smarter than him.
Okay, what do I do?
I'm gonna make you.
I never did get your name.
Oh, yes, sorry. It's Shiftwell. Holly Shiftwell.
It's Shiftwell. McQueen. And Frightening McMee. McQueen and Sally. Part beneath K. K-I-S-S.
Don't worry about it, kid. The least I could do. After all, Gas Can is my middle name.
It is?
Sorry, Mr. Sterling. I would never race for you. I quit.
What's going on, ladies? All right now, let's have us a little look.
Persistent little bugger for a 2-cylinder. Finally, I said, all right.
Don't worry, Mama. The queen is very sad. I will be. No, like the flame job. Maybe ghost flames. You like old school pinstriping? Von Dutch style.
Be yourself here. And if people aren't taking you seriously, then they need to change. Not
Excuse me? This ain't a one-man deal, kid. You need to wise up and get yourself a good crew chief and a good...
Oh, it's Jackson's storm for the win!
Chiquis, con el corredor se ha creado todo un revuelo. Jackson Storm, otro gran triunfo.
That Francesco is triple speed. Francesco is